Let's proceed to Qi, thoracic, nutritive, and defensive Qi. First, let's talk about thoracic Qi, its formation and distribution. Thoracic Qi is a mixture of fresh air inhaled by the lung and essential Qi transformed by the spleen and stomach from the essence of drink and food. Following formation, it accumulates in the chest. Hence, the chest is called the upper sea of Qi. After being acted upon by the lung through dispersion, it moves up to the throat and sideways into the heart meridian. After being acted upon by the lung through depuration, it moves to and is stored in the dantian, which is located in the pelvic abdomen about 1.5 inches below the umbilicus. Dantian is the starting point of the Ren, Du, and Chong meridians and the confluence of the entire body's Qi. Hence, it is also known as the lower sea of Qi. From Dantian, it further enters via the acupoint Qi Jie, or stomach 30, the stomach meridian of the foot Yang, and into the feet. The abundance or deficiency of thoracic Qi directly affects the function of the lung, the spleen, and the stomach. For its physiological actions, thoracic Qi has two main actions. One is to facilitate respiration by coursing through the respiratory tract. This also relates to the strength of the voice and the speech. The other is to course through the heart meridian to energize the beating of the heart and regulate the heart rate and rhythm. In clinical practice, the physician generally assesses the ampleness of thoracic Qi by palpating the pulse of the apex of the heart just below the left nipple. Next type of Qi is the nutritive Qi. It is the Qi which flows with blood in the vessels. It is closely related to blood. Indeed, though conceptually they can be distinguished, they are inseparable in reality. Hence, they are often referred to as nutritive blood. Because it belongs to yin, it is also called nutritive yin. In some respects, nutritive Qi stands in opposition to defensive Qi. Regarding its formation and distribution, nutritive Qi derives mainly from essential Qi that is transformed from food and drink by the spleen and stomach. It resides in the blood vessels and is an important component of blood, and it circulates throughout the body via the meridians. For its physiological actions, aside from becoming a component of blood, the principal function of nutritive Qi is to nourish the body. It supplies the nutrients necessary for the Zhang viscera, the meridians, and other organs and tissues to function normally. The third type of Qi, the defensive Qi. Unlike nutritive Qi, defensive Qi flows outside the vessels. Because it belongs to Yang, it is also known as defensive Yang. Thus, it stands in opposition to nutritive Qi. Like nutritive Qi, defensive Qi also derives mainly from essential Qi that is transformed from food and drink by the spleen and stomach. Innate Qi in the kidney plays an activating role in its formation. Defensive Qi is characterized by vigor, smooth and fast flow, and great power. It is not confined to the vessels but flows throughout the body, especially the skin and the flesh. It is conveyed upward by the spleen and dispersed by the lung. Regarding physiological actions, defensive Qi has three actions. One, it guards the body surface against attack by exogenous pathogenic evils. Two, it warms and nourishes the Zhang viscera, muscles, skin and hair, and other tissues. Three, it controls the opening and closing of the orifices and pores and the excretion of sweat, thereby maintaining a stable body temperature. In comparison with nutritive Qi, both nutritive and defensive Qi derive mainly from essential Qi that is transformed from food and drink by the spleen and stomach. However, nutritive Qi courses in the vessels, whereas defensive Qi courses outside them. Nutritive Qi is yin, whereas defensive Qi is yang. It is only when these two work together harmoniously that they can both act normally. Thank you for your attention.